Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to post a photo on Pinterest. It's pretty easy, so just follow what I do and let's get started. So what you want to do is have Pinterest open up, of course, and log into your account. Then click on your profile, and right here, this is your profile. I don't have any photos uploaded yet, so that's what we are gonna do right now. So just click on this plus icon and click on create pin. And you can either drag and drop or click to upload a photo. I'm just gonna drag and drop this photo real quick, and then add a title, for example, meme, and then put something in the caption you want, for example, me meme. And then you can also add a destination link. If you, for example, like this, have a picture from internet, you can add the link of the original picture. But if you just talk about yourself or advertise your website or anything like that, you can also just add a website link right here. So once you've done this, just click on save. And if you don't have any boards yet, click on create a board. And what this does is it creates a board for you where the photo is added on your account. So for example, I'm just gonna make a memes board because this is a meme, so it fits the theme, of course. And then what you want to do is just click on create. And as you can see, it has been added, and then click on save. And it has been saved, so just click on see it now. And as you can see, boom, this is your own pin. And people can see this pin and comment or whatever they want. And it's right here, as you can see. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.